the physical part of data literacy and what that plays in that role.
You can't assume that you're speaking to a data literate audience, but I think at the same time, you shouldn't have to. You shouldn't be making your charts so complex that that it takes somebody that's gone through a data literacy course or has a degree in Excel to understand what's going on.
Yeah, exactly. And the last thing I'll just close off on here is the data escape room. So this is something that, again, the rise of the data escape room discuss. I think it's just a wonderful concept to bridge all of the things that we've talked about: communication, data literacy, presentation, the ability to interpret the way that people are behaving during a course of events, be that a presentation or not. So what do you think about that as an idea to just upskill us all in terms of our communication? I think that's a good one.
And it sort of gamifies the whole experience as well, doesn't it? It is a great concept. I think we should be doing more of it. I haven't done enough of it. I think we got I got my first introduction in Lund back in, was it 2022 or was it 2023? Yeah, right. Yeah, one year or another. But yes.
Yeah, you're about right. You're about right. And again, these are all incredibly interesting concepts for us to explore how we could run these types of episodes in the future as well. I'm not saying we could run a live data escape room, but maybe we could take some elements into that, and that would be very interesting episodes to build as well. So
it really would be
something to investigate.
Indeed.
Something to investigate. Well, gosh, that's my timer is ticking up on 54 minutes here, which is significant. And I think that I've really enjoyed this. I've really enjoyed this. And Chris was very easy to talk to, and I like that. He should be, but yes, he definitely was.
Yeah, and we've covered quite a lot this season already. So it's not just been, thankfully, about AI, which is the big thing. We're getting into some of the more soft skills and important bits of working in data, which is what the DataMix was all about.
Well, exactly, and I think that diversity of topic is something that we'll always try and hold true to moving forward as well. But as we reach the end of this episode, we already mentioned that holidays are looming, so we probably have a little bit of a gap now before we come back to you while we all go enjoy our hollybobs. There you go.
Yeah, a few weeks, but we've got a couple of ideas.
Yes.
I don't want to say anything in case we can't get the next person that we're thinking about, but I think we will certainly have somebody very interesting to talk more about data when we come back after the summer holidays.
Sounds amazing. So with that, I will grant you a great summer holiday, my friend. And to our audience here, thank you so much for coming and joining us again. You have been watching episode 4 of season 2 of the DataMix, and we will see you all very soon. Thanks again, people. See you again.
Bye for now.
Cheers.
Thank you. Bye.